it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a super special surprise for you. If you are one of the few people who don't follow me on Instagram or my podcast, then you might not know about Hazel. This is Hazel, our new baby. She's a big baby now. She looks huge on this camera. This is Hazel. She came back with us unexpectedly from our trip to Alberta, and we've had her for 3 weeks now, and she's doing amazing. Her and Willa are best friends, and if you guys want to see vlogs of her, she will appear on my second channel, but I also post about her all the time on Instagram, and her and Willa have their own Instagram at Willa and Hazel. So I wanted to introduce you guys to her formally. This is her. She's a little baby. A big baby now. Look how big she is. Look at those floppy paws. Okay, Hazy, say hi. Good girl. So, today I'm going to be showing you, I thought that I was done with pumpkin recipes, but I made one more pumpkin recipe. It is a pumpkin loaf with cinnamon streusel topping. It's pretty much the best thing ever. It's so good for breakfast and snacks. And it's really good around the holidays, obviously. It's got like molasses in there, and it's just so freaking delicious, and it has a really nice like buttery cinnamony streusel topping. So that is what we're making today. It is all vegan, of course, dairy free, all of that. And yeah, that is everything for me right now, so let's get into it.
She's alone in Oakland tonight, wide awake and chasing the high. Die as a pen like stars in the sky, top it off with champagne and wine, hoping that she'll never feel this way again. Somehow, someone's gonna love you the way that I would. Somehow, someone's gonna give you what nobody ever could, and never let you go, just like chemicals that bind. We synthesize. Alabaster whites of his eyes, shining like refinery lights, waiting for a signal, a sign, stepping down a moment in time, 'cause he can't go back to Emeryville again. Somehow, someone's gonna love you the way that I would. Somehow, someone's gonna give you what nobody ever could, and never let you go, just like chemicals that bind. We synthesize. We synthesize. We synthesize. We synthesize. Somehow, someone's gonna give you what. Somehow, someone's gonna love you like, never let you go, just like.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this recipe. If you do, make sure to take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I'm at itslivb. That is everything for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!